Before restaurants existed, before cooking became an art form, one country was already doing things the rest of the world hadn't even imagined yet. 8 dishes. The story of how France changed food forever. Soupe à l'oignon. Paris winters were brutal, and the poor couldn't afford much, so they took onions, cheap, everywhere, and cooked them until something almost miraculous happened. Low heat, long time, and those onions release a natural sweetness that turns ordinary broth into something rich and almost meaty. A thick crust of melted Gruyere goes on top, and suddenly, a poor man's meal becomes one of the most comforting things ever put in a bowl. It survived centuries not because it's fancy, because it's perfect. Bouillabaisse. The fish nobody wanted built the dish everybody craves. Marseille fishermen threw their unsellable catch, bony, strange, leftover, into a pot with saffron, fennel, and tomatoes. Saffron turned the broth gold. The fish dissolved into layers of flavor. Rouille spread on toasted bread floated on top. What started as dock food became Marseille's most fiercely protected dish. Every family there has their version. Every family believes theirs is the only correct one. Coq au vin. Old roosters are tough. Too tough to roast, too chewy to enjoy. The French solution was simple. Drown it in burgundy wine, add mushrooms and pearl onions, and walk away. Hours later, the meat surrenders completely. The wine pulls everything together into a deep, dark, silky sauce that tastes like it took real skill. It didn't. It just took time. That's the whole lesson of French rural cooking in a single pot. Ratatouille. Summer in Provence means the garden produces faster than anyone can eat. Zucchini, eggplant, peppers, tomatoes, all of it goes into one pan with olive oil, garlic, and wild herbs. Everything cooks down slowly until the vegetables stop being individual things and become one unified, fragrant dish. It was never meant to be elegant. It was farmers using what they had. Today it sits on menus in some of the finest restaurants in the world, completely unchanged, and it still tastes better the next day. Crêpes. Brittany handed the world this, and the world never let go. The batter is 4 ingredients. The skill is everything. A good crêpe is thin enough to see light through, pulled off the pan at exactly the right second. Savory versions wrapped in buckwheat with ham and egg, sweet versions with butter, sugar, or the theatrical crêpe Suzette, orange liqueur, open flame, tableside drama. Street carts across France have been selling them the same way for generations. Cassoulet. Beans, duck confit, sausage, and thyme. Everything goes into a clay pot and disappears into the oven for hours. A golden crust forms on top, gets pushed back into the beans, forms again. This repeats. Every time it does, the flavor deepens. It comes from southern France, and legend says it was born during wartime. A besieged town emptying every kitchen into one pot to survive. Whether that's true doesn't matter much. What came out of that pot changed the region forever. Quiche Lorraine. The name comes from the German word for cake, which makes sense because Lorraine sits right on the French-German border and has spent centuries belonging to both. Buttery pastry shell, eggs, cream, smoked lardons. That's it. No cheese, no vegetables, nothing extra. The restraint is the point. Every element exists only to deliver that custard. Barely set, slightly smoky, impossibly rich. It left its region, crossed France, crossed oceans, and collected 100 variations along the way. Crème brûlée. Everything builds to one moment. The spoon lifts, taps the surface, and that thin caramelized crust cracks open to reveal cold vanilla custard underneath. Hot and cold, hard and soft. That contrast is the entire idea. The custard takes hours. The sugar takes seconds under a torch. France, England, and Spain have argued for centuries over who invented it. The argument was never settled. What was settled is that the French version became the one the world copied. It shows up everywhere from corner bistros to 3-star restaurants and has never once needed updating. Some things arrive complete.